How to turn off Find My iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off Find My iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Find My iPhone can help you recover a lost or stolen device. If you're preparing to sell, trade in, or give away your device, make sure that you turn off Find My. So, to turn off, firstly go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Make sure you are signed in to your Apple account, and now tap on your name on the top of your screen. You will then see the option for Find My. Tap on that, and then tap on the Find My iPhone option again. You will then see the Find My iPhone toggle button. Go ahead and toggle off the Find My toggle button. You will then be asked to enter your Apple ID password. So, go ahead and enter that and further tap on the Turn Off option, and with this, Find My iPhone will be turned off. So, this is how you can turn off Find My iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.